A new deck is a fantastic investment in your outdoor living space. However, building one that requires constant upkeep can quickly turn a relaxing retreat into a weekend chore. The first step to a low-maintenance deck is avoiding traditional pressure-treated lumber for the decking surface. Wood naturally splinters, warps, and requires exhausting annual maintenance to survive the elements. Instead, invest in modern composite or cellular PVC decking. These advanced materials replicate the beautiful look of natural wood, but never require sanding, staining, or sealing to maintain their vibrant color. When securing the deck boards, always use a hidden fastening system. Eliminating traditional face screws keeps the surface completely smooth and prevents water from pooling in the screw holes and causing moisture damage. Wooden railings rot quickly and are incredibly tedious to paint. Opt for powder-coated aluminum or composite railing systems that provide superior durability and a sleek, modern finish that lasts for decades. The connection between your deck and your house is the most critical structural point. Ensure high-quality metal or vinyl flashing is used over the ledger board to prevent invisible moisture damage. Even with composite decking on top, the structural frame underneath is usually made of wood. Applying a waterproof butyl tape over the top of every joist protects the framing from water runoff and rot. Moisture is the enemy of any outdoor structure. Ensure there is adequate ground clearance and proper spacing between the deck boards to allow cross-ventilation, keeping the underside permanently dry. Maximize your deck's value and usability by installing built-in, low-voltage LED lighting on the stairs and posts. It provides essential safety at night and requires virtually zero maintenance or bulb replacements. A low-maintenance deck is not entirely maintenance-free, but the upkeep is incredibly simple. An occasional wash with mild soap and water is all it takes to keep the surface looking brand new. Build a stunning outdoor space designed for relaxation, not endless work. For expert deck design and professional installation, visit bvcontractors.com. or call us at 479-903-1630.